Okay, Mateo, you can look at the present that I made you.
Oh, cool. Trash.
Mateo.
Oh, cool. Cool. Cool looking thing.
So get over there and open it.
I'm not sure.
I made it for you.
Wow, good job, Mommy.
You got a circle out of it.
That's hard. You made it?
Yeah. Hold your core tight, bud. Move the wrappers out of the way. Now you can get serious.
Man, why in the world? They must think I'm going to do this.
Hold your core tight, bub. Tighten yourself. There you go.